Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 2 more days of sales on Poshmark. Lots of large items. Let's see what I sold. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I'm going to give you the amount that I earned for each item, let you know how much I spent on it, deduct that, write the total on the board so we have a total profit number for the end of 2 days of sales on Poshmark. So let's get right into it. So this is a pair of Cat and Jack toddler girl sandals. Are those not just adorable? So I've actually got more of those for sale. I got them brand new off of a pallet from Via Trading. I was super excited. And so I ended up spending $4 on those. From the Via Trading wholesaler or liquidator, and $9.05 is what I earned on that sale. So I'll take my $4 off to make it $5.05 for my profits. Then the next thing that I sold was one of my intimates items, a women's lace racerback bralette, black, size medium. $1 is what I paid out of a huge liquidation box from Bulq.com. $1.25 is what I earned, so I actually only made 25 cents on that. But I sold those in various different sizes and made more on some of the other ones. So it was one listing with a bunch of variations. Then I have had these for a while, but it's starting to get to be cold weather, and so I'm really excited about it. It's actually a plush Elko fleece robe and slipper set. If you look at the picture, I'll kind of show you exactly what that looks like. That'll give you a better idea than what it looks like in the actual bag. But I sold 2 of those, which is why I wanted to show you the picture. Those I got out of a liquidation box for $3, and $12.60 is what I earned, so I'm at $9.60 of profit on that sale. Then the next item I have is a pair of hipster swim bottoms. They are Morona style, size large. $1 is what I paid. $3.05 is what I earned. So $2.05 is what I earned on, or what my total profits are. Then I've got another pair of shoes. I have got some more of these for sale, so check them out on my Poshmark store down in the link in the description below. They're a size 7 Chelsea boot, rain boot. Really, really cute. They're always brand new on this listing. And so $9.05 is what I earned off of those. $7 is what I paid, so $2.05 are my profits on these particular boots. So check these out. I do have more of these in brand new condition, just like you see. The original retail price is $25 on those, so you can definitely get a much better deal from me. Then I've got a really cute bathing suit. It's a new with tags, exhilaration padded bathing suit that comes with this really cute blue and white belt. Super adorable. $2 is what I paid out of a liquidation box for that. $5 is what I earned, $5.05. So I'm at $3.05 for my profits on that one. I got another pair of shoes here. I have multiples of these as well. And I'm super excited because I'm actually wearing this pair of shoes currently right now. So they're a pair of Massimo really cute sandals, size 8. I've got more for sale in my Poshmark store, so check those out. I paid $4 for those off of a pallet. $14.40 is what I earned, so I'm at $10.40 for my profits there. So these are really, really comfortable. I love them, and I wear them all the time, and they're super durable. And then my next item I have for sale is a 2-pack of seamless mid-rise bikini pink micro soft underwear. $1 is what I paid for those. $2.25 is what I earned, so I'm at $1.25 for profits on that. Then we're going to wander on down here, and believe it or not, this is a women's Bumblebee union suit PJs, extra small. It's basically a giant onesie that looks like a bumblebee. And so $4.25 is what I earned on that. I paid $2 on clearance at Walmart for those. And so I'm at $2.25 for that women's union suit. And then I've got these really cute new without tags Arctic Shield faux fur size 9 lace-up boots. $10.20. $4 is what I paid. And so I'm at $6.20 of profit on those. Then I've got a pair of Massimo Women's Scrunch Black Ballet Flats. I've got more of these for sale on my store. They're always in brand new condition, 8.5. I paid $4 for them. $12 is what I earned, and so $8 even are my profits on these black ballet flats. Then my next item I have is a sexy red lace lingerie sheer baby doll robe and panty set. $4.25 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid for it, so $2.25 are my profits there. Then I've got multiples of these as well on my store, so check these out if you're interested in. Perfect time of the year to be buying boots since winter's starting to come up, and these are super cute fashion boots. These are Merona over the knee suede, and they're called cognac color Terran boots. They're like a brown suede. They're really, really cute. Got about a 1-inch heel on them, and they're size 7.5. $15.80 is what I earned. $7 is what I paid for those. And so my total profit is $8.80. Then I've got another one of those purple robes like I showed you right here. And so that one I paid $3 for, remember, out of a liquidation box. $14.20 is what I earned. And so I'm at $11.20. Then I have these really cute metallic stiletto heels. They're pink metallic. I've got multiple ones in different sizes. A New Day strappy stiletto heel pump. Those were $2 out of a liquidation. It's actually a bulk case I think I bought those out of. $4.25 is what I earned, so $2.25 are my profits on those really cute flashy stilettos. Then I've got a Cato extra large off the shoulder flowing top. $8.25 is what I earned. $2 out of a liquidation is what I paid. So $6.25 are my profits there. Then I have a pair of A New Day really cute flats. They are called Blush Mohana flats. They're size 6. I actually have a few more of these pairs, so check out my Posh store for those. I earned $7.05, paid $4 for them, so I'm at $3.05 of profit on those. Then two more items I have for sale. I have got, out of my intimates category, a foam wire-free bra, amethyst quartz dot. $1 what I paid. I earned $5.25, which makes my profit $4.25 on that bra. Then I have a really cute pair of Jen Arbor shoes. Look at these. These are adorable. These are size 10 Jen Arbor shoes. I paid $4 for them. I earned $12, so I take my $4 off of my $12 and end up with $8 of profit on those shoes. So I'm going to go ahead and add up my total for these 2 days of sales on Poshmark. Lots of shoes. I do really well on those, and I'm super excited because I usually get them in brand new condition. So I'm going to add these up, let you know how many orders it is, and come right back. All right, I've got everything added up. It comes to $94.15 for 19 separate orders. So not too shabby for these 2 days of sales on Poshmark. I'm starting to see some of my warmer weather items sell really well, and I'm super excited about that. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.